Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a personal website with GitHub Pages, full guide step by step clearly. To create a personal website with GitHub Pages, begin by signing in to your GitHub account. If you don't have an account, go to github.com and create one. Once logged in, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Select New Repository from the drop-down menu. Name your repository in the format your username.github.io. Ensure the repository is set to public. You can choose to add a README file for documentation. Click the Create Repository button to proceed. After the repository is created, you'll see a page with options to add files. Locate the Uploading an Existing File option. You can drag and drop files, or click Choose Your Files to browse. For a basic website, create an HTML file, usually named index.html. Open a text editor and write simple HTML code for your homepage. Include standard tags like HTML, head, and body. You may also want to add a title and some content within body tags. Once your HTML file is ready, upload it to your GitHub repository. Scroll down and click Commit Changes to save your file. Next, navigate to the repository settings by clicking the Settings tab. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section within the settings. Select Main Branch in the Source drop-down menu. Click Save to enable GitHub Pages for your repository. Within a few moments, your website will be published. You will see a link in the GitHub Pages section that displays your site URL. Visit the link to view your new personal website. To customize your site further, you can add CSS and JavaScript files. Create additional files and upload them in a similar manner. You can also explore templates if you want a more advanced design. To enhance your website's functionality, consider using Jekyll, which is supported by GitHub Pages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.